Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. How are you feeling today?
I'm good. Slept well, had my coffee, feeling fresh and ready for today.
Same here. I feel pretty good. A normal morning, a clear head, and yeah, just in a good mood.
That's nice. And if you're listening right now, maybe you're walking, cooking, studying. Wherever you are, we're happy you're here.
Yeah, and today we're talking about something every adult feels sometimes. Something very normal in life.
Mm-hmm. We're talking about stress. Not big stress, not the heavy kind, just the everyday stress people feel when life gets a little fast.
Right. Little things like too many messages, too many plans, or too many thoughts at once.
Exactly. And today, we'll talk about stress in a very simple, soft way. How to describe it in natural English, how to talk about it, and how to support someone when they feel it.
And don't worry, we're not stressed. We're fine. We're just talking about stress as a topic.
Yes, thank you for saying that. We're not stressed today. We're actually pretty relaxed.
Very relaxed. Maybe too relaxed.
Well, a good mood is a good place to talk about this.
Totally. Because when you're calm, it's easier to understand the simple English for stress.
hmm So let's start with a very easy idea, something many people feel. Sometimes, even when your day is okay, your mind feels a little busy.
Yeah, that's true. You can be happy, you can feel good, but your mind can still be a little fast.
Exactly. It doesn't mean you're sad. It doesn't mean you're tired. It just means you're human.
Yeah, everyone has busy days. That's life.
So, when people say stress, it doesn't always mean something big. Sometimes stress is very small, like a little pressure inside.
Yeah. Like when you have a lot of things to remember or many small tasks, and your brain goes, okay, that's a lot.
Exactly. And in simple English, you can describe this feeling with short lines.
Yeah, like, I feel a bit stressed. Very simple.
Or, my mind is a little full.
Yeah, or I have a lot on my mind.
Perfect. All of these are light, soft, and completely natural.
And I like that none of these sound heavy, they just sound normal.
Yes, because everyday stress is normal. It's part of adult life.
Yeah. And it doesn't mean you're not okay. You can feel good and feel a bit stressed at the same time.
Exactly. I feel like that sometimes. Busy day, but still fine.
Yeah, same. Not bad, not heavy, just a bit full.
And another normal feeling is overthinking. This word sounds big, but the feeling is small and simple.
Yeah, it's just when your mind keeps going, even when you want it to slow down.
Mm-hmm. And you can describe it in soft English.
Like, I'm thinking a lot today. Not heavy, just true.
Yes. Or, my mind is a bit fast right now.
Oh, I like that one. It sounds calm, not dramatic, just honest.
Exactly. We don't need big language to talk about stress. Simple English is enough. So, maybe we can look at a few small moments when people feel a bit stressed. The everyday kind.
Yeah, not the big, scary stress. Just normal stress, the kind that happens to everyone.
Right. And we'll keep it simple. Just soft, everyday English.
So, one simple moment is the morning. Sometimes you wake up and the day already feels full.
Yeah, that happens to me. I wake up, look at my phone, and see a lot of messages. And I think, okay, that's a lot for 8 a.m.
Yes, not hard, just a lot.
Mm-hmm. And in English, you can say, I have a busy morning, or I have a lot to do.
Yeah, or my morning is a bit packed.
Perfect. All of these are simple, light, and very natural.
Another moment is at work. You're doing okay, you're not unhappy, but there's just a lot.
Yeah. Meetings, emails, small tasks, all happening at the same time?
And you can say, I feel a bit stressed at work today. Not heavy, just honest.
Exactly. Or, I'm a little busy right now. Or, I need a minute.
I say that one a lot. I need a minute. It saves me.
Same. Just one quiet minute can help the mind relax. Another very normal moment is when small things go wrong, like you spill coffee, you drop your keys, or you forget something small.
Yeah, and you just think, okay, calm down. It's fine.
Mm-hmm. And you can say, today feels a bit busy, or this is a lot at once.
Yeah, I like that. Not dramatic, just real. And sometimes your mind feels fast even when your day is slow.
That's very normal. You're sitting, you're resting, but your thoughts are doing a marathon.
Yes, exactly. My thoughts are like, let's think about everything right now.
Yes, and a simple English line for that is, my mind is a bit fast today.
Or, I'm thinking a lot right now.
Perfect. Soft, easy, real. So now, let's look at a few soft ways to talk about stress without sounding dramatic or negative.
Yeah, these are really useful in daily life.
Here are a few easy lines. I feel a bit stressed. I'm a little busy today. My mind feels full. I have a lot on my mind. I feel a bit off. I need a quiet minute.
Let me say a few. I feel a bit stressed. I'm a little busy today. My mind feels full. I have a lot on my mind. I need a quiet minute.
Yeah, that sounds very natural. Not heavy, not too strong, just calm adult English.
Mm-hmm. And I like how these lines don't make the moment bigger. They keep everything soft.
Exactly. They're honest, but gentle. Perfect for everyday conversation.
So, what if a friend tells me they feel stressed? How can I answer without making it weird?
Yeah. People worry about that a lot, but you only need soft, simple words. Here are a few easy replies. I get that. That sounds like a lot. Take your time. Do you need a break? I'm here. I understand.
Yeah, those feel warm. Not too deep, but very caring.
Mm-hmm. You don't need big answers, just a small human moment.
Yeah, soft words help people relax. They help me relax too.
Exactly. Warm English helps everyone. So now maybe we can look at a few small things we can say to ourselves when life feels a little busy?
Yeah, just tiny ideas, little tools, nothing big or serious.
Right. And the best part is they're all very simple English. Short lines, easy to remember.
Mm-hmm. Small English for small moments.
Exactly. Here are a few. One thing at a time. Let's breathe. I need a little pause. Slow is okay. Small steps. It's just a moment.
Those feel soft.
Like you can actually use them in real life.
Yeah, not big advice, just a small breath.
Let me try them. One thing at a time. Slow is okay. Small steps. It's just a moment. Yeah, that feels nice.
Mm-hmm. And the great thing is, none of these sentences say anything negative. They're calm, light, and they help your mind relax.
Yeah, and they sound friendly. Adult-friendly. Natural.
Exactly. Sometimes simple English can make your day softer. Okay, let's try a small practice. A tiny moment from real life.
Yeah, like a soft conversation. Something you'd say to a coworker or a friend.
Right. Imagine this. It's morning. You see someone you know. You feel fine, maybe a bit busy, but nothing heavy.
Yeah, a normal morning.
Okay, let's try. Hey, good morning. How's your day starting?
Morning. It's okay. A little busy, but I'm good.
Oh, yeah. A lot to do today?
Yeah, a few things. Nothing big, just a full morning.
Mm-hmm. Well, small steps.
Yeah, exactly. One thing at a time.
Do you need a quick break first?
Maybe a small one. A little pause never hurts.
True. Take your time.
Thanks. Feeling better already.
That felt really normal. Like something people actually say.
Yeah, because everyday stress is not dramatic. It's simple. And the English we use should also be simple.
Soft lines, slow tone, but still alive.
Exactly. Stress is part of life, but the way we talk about it can be warm and light. Now let's try a tiny practice. Soft, calm, and if you want, you can repeat with us.
Yeah, very easy. Just a few words.
Okay, here we go.
One thing at a time.
One thing at a time.
My mind feels a little full.
My mind feels a little full.
I need a small break.
I need a small break.
Slow is okay.
Slow is okay.
It's just a moment.
It's just a moment.
Yeah, that feels calm. Simple English, but it helps a lot.
You don't need big vocabulary to take care of your mind. Just small, warm sentences.
Yeah, that's true. Calm English, calm day. So today we talked about stress in a very simple, very human way.
Yeah, not the big, heavy stress, just the small, everyday kind that all adults feel.
And we learned that you don't need big words or strong language to talk about stress. You can use soft English, light English, and it still feels real.
Yeah, things like, I feel a bit stressed, or my mind feels full. Very simple, very honest.
Yes. And we also talked about overthinking and how thoughts can move fast even when life is slow.
Yeah. And the nice thing is, you can describe it with soft sentences like, I'm thinking a lot today, or my mind is a bit fast right now.
Exactly. Nothing dramatic, nothing negative, just real life.
And we also practiced how to support someone when they feel stressed.
Small lines like, take your time, I'm here, or that sounds like a lot. Warm, simple, and very human.
Yeah, you don't need to solve anything. You just need to be kind.
Yes. Soft English is kind English. And hey, if you enjoyed this calm, gentle moment with us today, you can like the video or subscribe, only if it feels right for you.
Yeah, really, no pressure at all. Just if you want more soft English in your week.
Mm-hmm. And you're always welcome to leave a comment. We read every single one.
Yeah, your comments really make our day. They're so warm.
So, here's a small question for today. What simple English sentence do you use when you feel a bit stressed?
Yeah, it can be something tiny like, I need a minute, or I'm thinking a lot today. Anything soft, anything real.
Mm-hmm. Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your gentle English. Thank you for spending this quiet but bright moment with us today. We hope your day feels a little softer now.
Yeah, and remember, you don't need to rush. Slow is okay. Small steps are okay.
Have a wonderful day or a peaceful evening, wherever you are.
Take care and see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.